Welcome to Plato. My name is Faith, and in today's onboarding video, I'm going to be showing you how to access the Workspace session for you and your mentors, how to join a session, as well as how to rate your mentor. Once you log in, this will be your home screen. Go to App in the top right and click on Workspace. Your mentors will appear on the left-hand side here. Select a specific mentor session. You'll see the mentor's name and join the session on the right. You can either join a session here or join through your calendar invitation, which will lead you to this page. Over here, we have a few things. The option to rate your mentor at the end of the call. Your specific challenge will appear here that you can edit before the call, as well as a collaborative session whiteboard that you and your mentor will have access to. In this whiteboard, you can type any specific notes which will save in real time, and you and your mentor can use that. In the Key Insights section, this is where you can write down the 3 top action items that you'd like to take away from this specific session. You're welcome to save all notes for each session with this specific mentor and your other mentors under the Workspace tab. Thank you.